How to highlight text in Microsoft Word. So to create highlight, you'll have to do first is select the word you want to highlight. So for my example, I highlight this word, and after you select, so you can see here on the pop-up the highlight icon here. The color of highlight is yellow. So if you want to change, okay, click the arrow on the right side of this highlight icon and select the color you want to use. So for my example, I use blue, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully highlight the text. Another one to highlight the text is from page menu. Highlight again the text you want to create highlight and go to home page menu and find the highlight icon here. So the color of highlight icon here is blue. So if you want to change it, okay, click the arrow down on the right side of this highlight icon and select the color you want. So for my example, I use green, and that's it. Okay, you have successfully highlight the text in Microsoft Word. So if you want to remove the highlight again the text you want to remove the highlights, go to again to home page and go to highlight icon on the right side, go to arrow and select no color.